Shein haul and some stuff I got from LC WALKIKI. I got 2 coats. So yeah, let's just go straight into this video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel. Exactly. So you guys, this is the first outfit. So yeah, that's the 360. I should have sized up to a 3x. To a 3x. Yes, this is a 2x. These sleeves are supposed to be long, and you can see they are going up. I always feel like every time I get a shade I get scammed like at least in one outfit. Also, it matches my purple nails. But yeah, I think it's cute. I got these shoes as well. I don't know if you guys can see them. I got them from Shein as well. Link in the description. Let's go to the next outfit. Hey guys, this is the second outfit. Yeah, this is a 3XL. Link is in the description. And this is how it looks. These are the heels. I got these heels from Bata. This is the first time I'm wearing them. I'm going for dinner with my family. I think I'm going to wear this outfit or another outfit. We'll see. But yeah, let's move on to. Oh wait, hold on. I like this detail by the way. So yeah, let's move on to the third outfit. I love this outfit. Among all the outfits, this is my favorite outfit. Let's do a 360. So yeah, I'm not wearing a bra, of course. This holds the girls well. Like this, 3XL. It's giving. I paired it with these heels. The heels I wore in the last outfit. Let me show you guys how is it. So yeah. Oh yeah. And yeah. I got this from WALKIKI in store at Manda Hill. Manda Hill is a mall for those of you who don't know. I don't know if WALKIKI is online. But yeah, if you just want to feel so bougie and casual, you can put this on. But this top is Shein, top vest Shein, trousers Shein, coat WALKIKI. So yeah, I mean LC WALKIKI, but those who know. So this is how it looks at the bottom. The trousers is long. That's what I love. Let's move on to the next outfit. So this is a 3XL. This is a dusty pink. I think it said baby pink, dusty pink. From Shein. Can't remember. Everything fits well. Let's move on to the next thing. Not the next outfit. Next thing that I bought. Well, it's considered an outfit, but yeah, let's get to it. So this is the last outfit. Does this qualify as an outfit? Oh, for me it does. Of course, you know this bikini is from Shein. The shorts are from Shein. The coat is from LC WALKIKI. This is in an XL. I wanted a 2XL, but my sister asked for it first. The high-waisted shorts. So I paired it with these shoes. Oh, I just want to say one more thing. My hair it's down. My hair it don't move.
My hair it don't move. You hear what I'm telling you? It don't move.
My hair it don't move. That's all. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.